Number 7, what is risk tolerance? Well, I do a video on risk tolerance, or what I call the spectrum of risk. I've done a video, it's a longer, more detailed video, but risk tolerance is a funny thing. I always thought there was a weird question when some financial person would say, what's your risk tolerance? Like, what's your tolerance for losing money? And I'd be like, well, it's 0. I have no tolerance for losing money. It was really hard to make the money. I definitely don't want to lose it. So it always seemed like a stupid question, but really the way I think about risk tolerance is this. It is your willingness to keep working and or your ability to keep working in a sharp and or prolonged market downturn, right? So say you're about to retire and it's 2008, January, and then cut to June of 2008 and you've lost 60% of your money. Well, all right, maybe it was a year later, by then you lost 60% of your money. Well, now your retirement's sort of in peril and you got to keep working, right? So what was your risk tolerance then? If you were like, definitely I don't want to keep working, your risk tolerance was 0. If you were 20 years old at that time and you had a little bit of money in the market, your risk tolerance was very high. And also you're like, I'm going to buy all this stuff, as much as I can and watch it go up. So risk tolerance is generally tied to your age, but also subsequently, is that the right word, tied to your willingness and ability to keep working. That's how I look at it. So risk tolerance, there you go.